Welcome back, everybody. Today I am building a Harry Potter Lego set.
Yeah, we're doing the Quidditch set today. So when you open up your box, I laid out everything so you'll see what you should have. So you should have your two books. They're labeled 1 and 2, so you know which one to start with. And then you have your 3 bags that you start with, 1, 2, and 3. And they gave you some stickers that you're going to put on some of the Lego blocks as they tell you. Alright?
Alright.
So let's get the building, Nicholas.
Okay. Bag number.
Bag 1. We're going to push bag 2 off to the side. And bag 3 off to the side. Also the stickers as well.
What? Stickers? Oh.
Yes, hand me the book number 2.
Book number 2. There you go. Book number 2. Yeah.
Usually we will build on his Lego table. But right now, the Lego table is full of Mario World. So we're not building on a Lego table. We're going to build on a train table today.
And then we're going to keep the train table as Lego until Mario gets taken off, and then we put Mario on the train table.
Okay.
Bag number 1. Yay, I have to start building the people. I love people. Ah! How do we always have... Okay, start
Hand me
with
the plastic bag.
what?
Hand me the bags.
The
Plastic.
bags? There you go. Start with people. Start with character of people.
Is that what it says to do for number 1?
Okay. Start.
Here, give me the book.
Here we go. I'm making the people first. And then we get to do more people. We get to do the book.
So the book tells you everything you need to do.
Books.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do...
Make the people.
Yes. We're going to make these 2 characters right here.
Where's his face? Where's his face?
There you go. That's what you're looking for.
What?
That's what you're looking for. Here.
No, it's his face.
I know. Just show him. You're building, buddy. I'm just filming you.
Yeah. Filming. Here. Ah! Here. There we go. First person. Now. Good. Kitty. Meow. Meow. Okay, stop doing that.
With your kitty voice? You might bring Zeus over here. He might be able to help you out.
I know, that's...
You don't want the attack of the killer Zeus! Boop, 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 boop.
Zeus is Meow.
No, we're just playing. Zeus is a nice kitty.
Yeah, he's always a little bit. Time to take the wand off. You get the wand and I get a wand. Everyone gets a wand.
What are you, Oprah?
What?
So what are you, Oprah?
No. Someone from the cartoon.
You get a wand. You get a wand. Everybody gets a wand.
It's like I'm from the cartoon. Like Harry Potter cartoon. Wand, there gets a wand. I don't know why I'm singing that song. There's a wand. Turn you into a frog. Choo!
No! Ribbit.
I love that.
Alright, so what we got next?
The black wand. I found it. the black one better.
Is that Harry?
No. It's not Harry. Harry's in the set. I'm just telling you that. Harry. I love this Lego set.
Yeah.
Yep. And for this, the one got on. Lego sets, Lego sets, Lego sets. Daddy.
What's your favorite one you built so far?
Mario.
Mario's your favorite?
Yep, and Jurassic World. In Harry Potter. I just love all my Lego sets I build. No matter which one I build, I still love it.
Alright, what's next? Here, give me that, and I'll put that on. You gotta move on.
Thank you. It's kind of hard. You know, it's kind of hard. It's hard to put.
Alright, go to the next part.
I need a big platform. Then this on its side.
Alright, hold it down on the table so we can see you build it.
Scooch over. Easiest way to see. Boop. Number 2. I love number 2. That's my favorite part of building, number 2.
Yeah?
So number 2, you can build more stuff. And, okay, I'm getting in my mind is, like, I don't know why he's trying to get Harry.
You gotta stay focused, buddy. You gotta go. We're building.
Build it. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Keep it down on the table so we can see you build it.
Okay, there it is.
Alright, move on.
Booyah, booyah. I like your body, booyah, booyah. No, this is booyah, booyah. Okay. Time for a plan. It's time to build some more. So everyone, you remember last time I was building aqua dragons? Remember that, everyone? Does anyone remember that?
If they tuned into your last show, they would saw you did aqua dragons, yes. We were checking on them in a second. See if they're swimming around.
I love the aqua dragons. I'm taking care of them. And that little 2 white thingy is for the blow bowl for aqua dragons.
Buddy, I don't think they know what you're talking about. They haven't seen it.
It's tubes. There we go. Put this on.
Now, on the box it says this is for 7 to 14-year-olds.
I know.
I mean, he's 5 years old. You should be able to do it at 5 years old if you want to try it. I wouldn't wait till your kid's 7 years old if you want to. If they like Legos, I would give them a chance to let them try it.
I love Legos.
Yes, you do.
A kid would knows how to build a Lego set as the great builder. And I'll always be a great builder of Legos. Actually, I love building Legos.
Why? What do you want to be? A Lego master?
Yes. That's what I want to be on TV so that everyone can see me. And see how handsome. Okay. Okay.
You're crazy.
I know. I know I'm crazy. I even get crazy sometimes, actually.
Crazy in a good way.
What?
Crazy in a good way, buddy.
I actually get crazy sometimes. Super crazy that I get silly. I don't want that to happen anymore, actually. Looks like I'm building one of my own Lego sets, which I am building Harry's. I love Harry. I love Harry. I'm like Harry Potter World. Harry Potter World, I used to say.
Was it fun when you went to Disney?
No, Harry Potter World.
Did you have fun when you were there?
Yeah, it's just.
I mean, at Universal?
Yup, they had loads of rides. But the only ride what was closed is E.T.
And what was your favorite ride? What was your favorite thing to do at Harry Potter World?
I think it was like riding on like.
Was it riding the train?
No.
You didn't like riding the train?
Oh yeah, here's the wrong person.
You got right. You got to go on steps.
Oh, okay.
You got to remember we're building this so people on the video can watch you build it.
Yeah.
So they
that's
gotta
right.
know what to do.
People.
You gotta sit it down so they can see you build it. They can't see it if it's in your hand.
People at home. So, people at home, if you don't let kids cut the bag open, the box open, so because I don't, because that's bad, and the kids can hurt themselves if they open the bag all by themselves. Or if they open the box all by themselves, they can hurt themselves.
Yeah.
Yup. And that's actually, I have a smart brain.
Yes,
I'm trying to get the kids to be safe so that they don't hurt themselves.
Okay.
It worked.
That was a safety message from Nicholas.
A safety message. Okay.
You gave your safety message. Thank you for your safety briefing.
For your safety for your kids. It's for the safety of your kids. And just telling you people at home so then your kids don't get hurt. And if your kids get hurt, then they get...
So who's your favorite character on Harry Potter?
It's Harry.
Harry's your favorite?
Yeah, and that's who I've been for him. That's who I was for Halloween. I love Harry so much.
I think in part 2 you should just be dressed as Harry Potter when you build the rest of it.
Yes, and get that costume now.
I can't. I'm filming, buddy. I can't film and get your costume at the same time.
What?
Can't film and get your costume at the same time.
I know. Okay. It's gonna get me. Doctor, you're not to make me silly, or to make me go cuckoo.
I don't want to make you go cuckoo, buddy.
That's what could happen. You know, cuckoo goes cuckoo.
For Cocoa Pops?
What?
For Cocoa Puffs?
Daddy. Don't hear that.
Did you go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs? Cereals.
Come on. Okay, they don't want to listen to you. They don't want to listen to you, Daddy. Daddy never won't want to listen to you.
That hurts.
What?
So that hurts.
Your feelings? Does that hurt your feeling? Just twist this over. That's the easiest way to build Lego, you see? Twist it over. No! Come on! I have to redo this.
I don't know. What'd you do?
I did this wrong. I did the Lego set.
All right. We'll be back when we finish this build and start a second build. Just want to show you a little bit of the start of the build. And then we're going to... Good job. And then we're going to go... from there. We'll see you at the second build.